สวัสดีค่ะ Hello YouTube friend. Today I will show you the candy sweet dessert of Thai, but culture of this candy from Chinese is a ขนมเหม่งทึงนะงาขาวเหม่งทึง is name of it same ตุรกีดีไลท์or not same ตุรกีดีไลท์ very delicious I can taste and show you Turkey delight the same I buy from the store shop supermarket sorry friend สูตรประกอบ have sugar 41% powder 14% oil salt packet 4 piece per 1 pack in Thailand called ขนมงา I think it's right Turkey delight delicious 1 2 3 4 piece now in Thailand special Isan have many different culture food come to my town same ชาบูเนื้อย่างเกาหลีมาเยอะมาหลายพี่น้องอาหารวัฒนธรรมอื่นๆเข้ามาชาบู normally ชาบู is a sauce for mix now ชาบู with cheese the new product come to my country delicious in the last time signature of candy Isan have one or two a little type but now have many things have many types for develop from innovation my province have many candy very delicious I will taste and show for you next clip today I show you ขนมเมี่ยงงาขาว again ขนมเหม่งทึงงาขาวเหม่งทึง name is of this ขนมเหม่งทึง very delicious four piece per pack good if I have the cup of tea it's very good in a coffee break it's good I taste only one piece because very have of sugar okay friend see you next clip for show you taste new candy a candy in my country for you live and share for you มาดามบายขอบคุณค่ะบัดดีจ้า